Hi, my name is Ruthie Meyer, and I just wanted to tell you great things about Freeman and how he was awesome and amazing with bringing his most wonderful clients over here, and it was a pleasure to work with him. He's a professional all the way in translating and explaining things, and always with a smile on his face. So if you need a good real estate agent, realtor, that would be Freeman. Have a wonderful day and take care. Bye-bye.
嗨，你好，我是孙辉，来自中国。我是通过朋友介绍呢认识了 Freeman。他给我们介绍了这个尔湾的一些个房地产啊，还有一些个这个投资的项目。他在给我们介绍房子和带我们参观呐，都很专业。业务知识也很强，而且呢是非常的周到细致，不厌其烦，你们这公司的员工非常的棒。OK。